Essential accounting terms for professionals and students. Understanding key accounting terms is crucial for finance professionals and students. This presentation covers essential concepts used in financial reporting and analysis. Let's explore these terms to enhance your accounting knowledge. Assets and liabilities. Assets. Resources owned by a company that has economic value. Examples include cash, inventory, and equipment. Liabilities. Financial obligations or debts owed by a company. These may include loans, accounts payable, and bonds. Revenue and expenses. Revenue. Income generated from normal business operations. It's the top line of the income statement. Expense. Costs incurred in the process of generating revenue. These reduce a company's profitability. Net income. The difference between revenue and expenses. They are also known as profit or earnings. Debits and credits. Debit credit. Increases assets, decreases assets. Decreases liabilities, increases liabilities. Decreases equity, increases equity. Equity and capital. Owner's equity. The owner's stake in the business. It's calculated as assets minus liabilities. Paid in capital. Money invested by shareholders in exchange for stock. It's a key source of funding. Retained earnings. Accumulated profits that haven't been distributed to shareholders as dividends. Financial statements. Balance sheet. Shows a company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Income statement. Reports revenues, expenses, and profit or loss over a period of time. Cash flow statement. Tracks the inflow and outflow of cash from operating, investing, and financing activities. Accounting methods. Cash basis. Records revenue when cash is received and expenses when cash is paid. Accrual basis. Records revenue when earned and expenses when incurred, regardless of cash flow. Hybrid method. Combines elements of both cash and accrual methods for specific situations. Depreciation and amortization. Straight line. Allocates an equal amount of depreciation each year over an asset's useful life. Declining balance. Applies a higher depreciation rate in the early years of an asset's life. Units of production. Based on the asset's usage or output rather than time. Accounting principles and standards. GAAP. Generally accepted accounting principles used in the United States. IFRS. International financial reporting standards are used globally. I am AI Jennifer. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.